The viral 2-ingredient onion chips. I could eat a million of these. I wanted to try this out with a variety of thickness. I would eat it any of the ways. I love these. And I had to try to use the same method, but with potatoes. I already had my homemade tzatziki in the refrigerator. I added a few spices to that to dip them in. There's many things you could dip these in, so let me tell you how I did it. I used 3 large onions. I cut the root end off, and the opposite end as well. Then I peeled it, and used my knife to do the variety of thicknesses. Make sure you turn the onion so the cut ends are horizontal, and make sure you're getting that ring shape. I did one of the onions thinly sliced with a mandolin, which by the way, this one or similar ones are perfect for this. I can no longer find this exact one, but I found a few very similar. Make sure you check out my description if you want to get your own. There's multiple attachments for different cheese grating sizes, and it comes with a lid as well. I will also link these silicone baking mats. They are perfect for non-stick baking. You can shred your own Parmesan, but I bought pre-shredded this time. I did a layer of the Parmesan cheese, then I tried to do one side with thicker onions and the other side with the thinly sliced onion. I then take some oil and brush it on top of the onions. You can season your onion how you like. I just did salt, pepper, and paprika. I baked mine in a 400 oven for 25 minutes. Then I let them rest for 15 minutes before I cut them. This recipe inspired me to try this with potatoes and cheddar cheese with a little bit of green onion. I baked them the same way, just a little bit longer, and I used parchment paper just to test out how that would do. The only difference for these was the type of cheese, and I added chili and cayenne powder. So here I'm doing a layer of sharp cheddar cheese on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. I will link these baking sheets for you all as well. Then I spread diced green onions on top of the cheese, did a layer of thin sliced potatoes, brushed the top of the potatoes with all, and I seasoned them, and these baked for about 30 to 35 minutes. Here's the onions right out of the oven. I let them set for about 15 to 20 minutes. And here's the potatoes. I let them sit as well before cutting. I tried cutting with a knife, but it was much easier using a pizza cutter. The center was a lot less crisp, but it was very good still. They look so awesome. I love how you can see all the rings. And here I'm just plating up some of each kind. The thinner sliced onions might be the most popular. They have an extra crispiness to them. But there's something about these thicker cut ones that are really good too. This would be a pretty easy appetizer or side dish to do. I thought it went really well with my homemade tzatziki. I believe some people used a Southwest sauce or a blooming onion sauce copycat recipe. I even heard people trying a red sauce as well. The potatoes cooked pretty well. I do think I will spread them out next time. They didn't crisp up as much. I just liked how it looked. They were also still delicious. It does make me want to stuff this sheet of cheesy potatoes, maybe with ground beef or steak, and roll it up and cut it into pinwheels. Let me know if you tried these. Click those links if you are interested in getting any of my favorite kitchen purchases. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.